Believers Radio. Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your hit every 4 times of the week. So, guys, in today's video, I'll be diving in the UK. I'll be walking you through this AJ Tracey X, Aitch Drumkit called Rain. It's crazy, isn't it? So many nice sounds in here. So many sounds. So many goodies to actually look forward to. So there's 808s, there's claps, there's hats, there's some house loops as well. There's some kicks, there's some midis, there's some percussion, and some snares. I was actually basing this sound on that UK sound. So many all the amazing artists coming from the UK. I was basing this drum kit based on that sound. So AJ Tracey, Aitch, maybe Stormzy, J Hush. There's so many nice artists, so many amazing artists coming from that side. So I was basing this drum kit off of that, if that makes any sense. So before we actually go further, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis, as always. So there's like 5 midis in here, 5 midis. So I'll be using contact to demonstrate the midis. Yeah, and just like that, and then we head back to the drums. So let me load up the first MIDI. I'll be using the default BPM by FL Studio. So let's go ahead and do that. Second MIDI. So third MIDI. Just close this. Yeah, so third MIDI. All right, fourth MIDI. The last MIDI. So that's all for the midis. So you can use the midis in making, you can actually have some dynamics in this. So you can make drill with this, or even trap. They're all kind of in the same line, but it's all up to you. As long as it helps you, man, that's all that matters. So let's head back to the drums. So this to the 808s. So the claps. The head loops. Hats. Kicks. Percussion. snares. That's it for the kit, man. That's it for the kit. So yeah, so enjoy making crazy banging beats with this. Yeah. And if you haven't checked out the beat, the one I made using this drum kit, I recommend that you actually go and check that out. It's crazy. So yeah, it's free for profit. You can use it for whatever you like. And I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up with my number and we'll talk. So yeah, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Safe one. Goodbye.